Till date, we have already arrested 15 accused persons, including the main culprit, associates, government officials, and others. And there are already 93 properties identified, 2 are about to be identified, and over 1.5 lakh square meter land is in question. Out of these 93 properties, already we have received 26 properties complaints, but 67 properties are yet to be get a complaint from the authorized complainants. Though we have received over 230 petitions, but we are yet to identify whether they are the real owners or some of them are the third party ones.
SIT, I am making the further announcement that is under the Commission of the Inquiries Act 1952. In this regard, we have appointed Justice V K Jadhav, the former judge of the High Court of the Mumbai. We have appointed as the Commissioner of the Inquiry in this case. His terms of reference is to inquire and fix the responsibility in all cases of grabbing of the private and any other land in the state of Goa, and to find out the involvement of the government officers and any other public functionaries and the private individuals in such land grabbing. To inquire and find out the loopholes, deficiencies, lacuna, negligence in the administrative systems and legal framework which led to the such large-scale land grabbing. To recommend the government the steps, measures, action to change the administrative system, the legal framework for the purpose of avoiding cases of the land grabbing in future. To recommend the change in law for preventing the such land grabbing in future. The recommendation of the Commission should be completed and submitted within a 4 month for the date of the from the date of the first sitting of the Commissioners.